Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to another episode of the Investor's Shack. I'm your host and analyst, Tato. So today we're looking at what's happening in the South African markets. So we all know that recently the president has addressed the nation as to what will happen in level 2 lockdown. So now we know that a lot of economic activities will resume because of the eased the ease up that has been happening on economic activities. So we know earlier on, we can all remember earlier on, the president lifted the ban on alcohol, then reinstated the ban again on alcohol, and this halted the Heineken production that was supposed to be happening. It halted a 6 billion rand expansion plan for the North Coast. So with this, when it happened, when he reinstated the ban on alcohol, we all knew that the South African economy dropped so hard. So we even took the Heineken shares, as we can all see. We took the Heineken shares on the day the president had lifted the ban on alcohol. And I think we made cash on this. I remember we made good cash. Here's the TP when it hit, that Heineken stocks. So now we all know that since our South African mineral is that gold, our biggest South African mineral is that gold. We know that gold had dropped price, had dropped value when the president did not. Let me not underestimate his power. However, when the president thought uh, further lockdown would create more good than damage, little did he realize or he knew. However, when we checked the market, since we knew that gold is our South African mineral, we all knew that gold would drop when the lockdown restrictions are not eased up, because that's at the gold adds on the economic GDP. Okay, it adds on the GDP of the country. So we sold that gold even. Let me do this a bit here. We sold that gold. I remember we sold that gold. Here's our gold. Mm, I think we saw it earlier, even way before the stage. However, let me deal with the stage. We sold that gold on 11th of August. So we all knew that it was dropping all the way to the 1950 area, $1,950 area or less. Oh, this is 1986. We knew it was dropping all the way to this support. So here's that support when it got hit. Here's our support. That line hit, and I think before it hit, here's it. We got hit. We hit that TP. So now we're looking at at the South African rand, guys. Sorry for time wasting and creating long content. So what we will be looking at right now is the South African rand, because the economic activities are easing up. So we will be taking a look at what's happening to the rand. Moving right along to the South African rand now. Here's the South African rand. Now we'll be dealing with the technical side of things. We can all see that we pushed up till we hit this ultimate resistance here. So around the 19 rand 15 cents area, we knew that this will be our ultimate resistance. Then before we hit that resistance, this was our early resistance around the 17 rand 80 cents area. Then we broke out of this resistance, went to the upside of it. So now we're extending this. We all know that from this ultimate resistance, when we drop, we came back to this resistance, the 17.80 rand area, which now is our solid support when pushed down. Okay, so from here we all know that the rand will be pushing down because of the economic activities that has resumed. I see the rand dropping all the way down till the 16.50 area. Here's the 16.50 area. From now on, we can expect the rand to push all the way down to the 16.50 area. Here's our 16.50 area. So this will be our next key level that we are heading to from here. This, let me mark this. So this will be our next key level, the 16.50 area. We can all tell that because of the economic activities that will be resuming, we'll be heading to the 16.50 area. However, we may see a further break to the downside, probably to the 15.50 area. Okay, we might see a further break to the 15.50 area, which is around this area. Okay, we may see a further break to this 15 rand area. So that's it for now. That's all. Let me add our risk appetite. Moving right along to this, you better know that it's advisable for you to risk this much. This much risk this much, then potentially we might potentially see this much profit. So that's all for today, guys. See you on our next analysis and updates. Take care.